What's up, everyone? Let's talk about EVs. In particular, let's talk about NIO, CCIV, and SNPR. I will provide you my technical analysis and price predictions for this coming week. I will also share with you the latest news catalyst that is driving up the stock price actions, provide you my thoughts and what I plan to do next. So stick around. Sawasdee krap, that's hello in Thai, and welcome to Quantum Finance. My name is Anthony, and I'm a former engineer and data analytics turned entrepreneur and investor. My prior career, I was very successful in creating predictive models for Fortune 500 companies in Silicon Valley using historical data to predict future outcomes. I applied my knowledge to my own portfolio, and in the past 12 months, grew it more than 550%. In this channel, I focus on high growth and disruptive technology stocks for short-term momentum trades and long-term investments. If you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back and thank you for your support. Please help us grow this channel by hitting the sub button below. Make sure to hit the notification button so you get my latest video update. While you're at it, do hit and like and share the video. I will see you down there. Please note that this video is for entertainment purpose only. I'm not licensed. However, that does not mean that I won't present you with facts and trading ideas that will supercharge up your portfolio. No BS and straight to the point. So let's get right into it. Oh man, it has been a brutal week for the stock market. As February comes to an end, I am anticipating March to potentially reverse course with the White House on Saturday passing President Joe Biden's $1.9 trillion Corona relief package, which includes $1,400 cash payment to each household. This could be a potential catalyst to avert further sell-off. So with that out of the way, let's get right into it. First up is NIO Limited, or NIO. It will report its earnings after the closing bell on Monday, March 1st, 2021. Wall Street expects NIO to report a per-share loss of 7 cents on revenue of $1.01 billion. This is an increase of 148% a year ago. This compared to the year ago quarter when it reported per share loss of 39 cents on revenue of $406.88 million. Key areas to watch out for is that NIO has posted quadruple digit returns over the past year. It is no longer cash strapped as it has raised over $9.6 billion to date. And there is no slowing down. But can the stock continue to rise its massive rate? China's EV sales has soared over the past 6 months and rose more than 120% year over year. There's evidence to suggest that this level of growth is not only accelerating, but it is sustainable. This is great news, as these trends are greatly benefiting NIO in 2021. Because of this, NIO stock has been under a lot of pressure to perform. Investors will probably be more interested in its outlook than they will be in how much the company has lost during Q4 2020. Unless there's a huge miss or a big surprise, which I don't think there is the case, Q4 will most likely reflect the favorable impact of rising demands for the ES6 models, the company's 5-seat high-performance premium smart electric SUV, which forms a major chunk of the auto's overall deliveries. I believe investors are expecting NIO to continue to increase key delivery numbers such as improved profit margin rates, increased vehicle delivery numbers, increased profitability for its battery swap stations, news on expansion into Europe, etc. We shall see what NIO has to report on Monday, along with its strong delivery guidance for the next quarter and full-year outlook. Let's look at the daily chart. It closed at $45.78. It was down $1.03 or 2.2% on Friday, February 26, 2021, on approximately normal trading volume. It traded below its Bollinger bandwidth area in a wide band or range expansion. For the short term and intermediate term, NIO is in a bear sentiment but seems to have formed a mild bullish reversal. This is a good indicator for a long-term trade entry point. I am anticipating good earnings report on Monday. NIO will retest the $53.34 resistance level. It will work its way up to retest the $61.69 level. My price target for NIO is in the $65 to $70 range. Note that the options market has priced in an expected share price move about 11.5% in either direction around the earnings release. Implied volatility sits at the 25th percentile as of Friday morning. If NIO report a so-so earning and okay guidance, which is unlikely in my opinion, it will continue to dip a little, trade sideways between the $46 to $50 range before it works its way back again. I will be waiting for tomorrow's earnings report before I decide if I want to get in on NIO or not. It is too risky right now as NIO has sold on the news in the past earnings report. But if the news is good, I might get in during the pre-markets. And if you need a good brokerage to trade stocks with, especially buying and selling in the pre-markets and after hours, consider Webull. Use my link below in the description to get 2 free stocks when you sign up and deposit 100% in your account. Each stock can be worth up to $2,000 per share. This is a no-brainer and a smart thing to do. The other day, one of our viewers received Google stock valued at $1,900. Up next is CCIV. Let's look at its daily chart. It closed at $30.75. It was up $2.93 or 10.53% on 138% of normal trading volume. On Friday, CCIV routed after Dave Portnoy, founder of Barstool Sports, stated in his tweet that he took a position in CCIV because, quote, I had 1 billion people tell me CCIV was to go bottom today, unquote. He bought about $500,000 worth of CCIV stock. He went on to state, quote, I bought it, I'll probably get killed, unquote, and end his tweet by stating, quote, if you can spot a sucker in the first half hour at the table, then you are the sucker, unquote. Also on Reddit, under the Lucid Wall Street bets, the retail investors are calling everyone to buy and hold on to CCIV stock. However, this is questionable if their intention is to create pain for the short sellers, as there is only 2.19% short percent of float. As of Friday, per shortsqueeze.com, the short percent actually decreased by 19% with a total of 206 million shares in float. Let's go back to the daily chart. CCIV exhibits some range contraction during the last trading session. It is calm after storm, or what normally follows a range contraction is a range expansion. So I do anticipate a pop on Monday. It will retest the $35.80 resistance level. If it breaks through, this stock will continue its run into the $40 to $45 range. However, due to the stock's strong downtrend and the fact that it remains oversold for a while, it might fail to break the $35.80 resistance level. Should this be the case, it will trade sideways between the $27.50 and the $35.80 range for a while. It will consolidate to build a strong base at this level before it continues its next leg up. I am looking to pick up some more call options and potentially more shares next week. I will continue to cost average where opportunities present. Next up is Tortoise Acquisition Corp 2, or SNPR SPAC. This is merging with Volta. Once merged, it will change its ticker symbol to VLTA. Note that the CEO of Volta is Praveen Mandal, who is the co-founder and former president of ChargePoint, which is merging with Switchback, or SBE. Let's look at its daily chart. It closed at $12.74. It was up 51 cents or 4.17% on 118% of normal trading volume. It rose above the 50 DMA and formed a hammer candlestick pattern. If you have watched my prior video on how to buy in the dips and avoid catching a falling knife part 1 video, you know where I'm heading with this one. You guys would know by now that I love the hammer candlestick pattern because it presents a buying opportunity. Note that it also forms an outside day or calm after storm or range contraction. What usually follows with a hammer and a range contraction is range expansion. This is a great momentum trade as I anticipate a pop on Monday. I will be on a short-term trade on this SPAC as it will retest the $13.90 resistance level. If successful, it will want to close the gap as it moves upward. Price target is between $16 to $18 range for this one. Best of luck, guys. So there you have it. If you find the content of value, please leave a comment below. Do share, like, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Also hit the notification bell for my next video. Now let's go make some MULAs.